Can you come to the next slide? Right. Okay, so we have the activities and the events. So these are the activities and the events. I'll just read out. It's quite self-explanatory, right? So publishing and distributing newsletters. This is one of the activities that we aspire to do. And then the educational seminars and the lectures, and the get-together and the sports events like picnic, cricket, and table tennis competition, alumni musical evening, felicitation function for the distinguished alumni awardees. And the Sunshine School also maintain the websites where we do the web management and the data management through that. We already have a team for that. And then, yes, I have already spoken of that, the data management part. So these are the activities which we would like to do via on the platform of the Alumni Association. And definitely to carry out these activities, we have, next slide. So we have different programs, execution committee. So alumni relations, we have been the part of alumni relations who have mobilized the people and brought the people here. And they are the people who have worked on this alumni relations like the Madhav Chandra, Sevi Sudarshan, right? These people have worked hard to bring the maximum people and make a crowd here, and right. And then the event management, right? So event management, this is one of the event, right? So the school body, we were school buddies along with the Reena ma'am and the Robin ma'am. They are working on organizing the event. And then the web and the data management that we already have sunshinealumni.in. You can easily register on that. It's not only for the alumni, it's also for the existing students also, right? And then we have the programs authorizing body. Suppose if someone has to organize a program, right? Then someone has to approve it, right? So we have the two authorizing body here. One authorizing body is the school. Honorable Principal ma'am, you have to, plan and you have to create the proposal and just present in front of the school administration to the Honorable Principal ma'am. If it will make sense, he will approve and we can have the event organized in this school, right? And then the other authorizing bodies are from the Alumni Association, because we are not actually organizing the events within the school, we are also doing the outside the school. So for that we have board of directors that we have defined for the Alumni Association, right? So these are the authorizing bodies, right? Okay. So we have the board of directors, the name is defined there, and then we have the alumni working volunteers, school members, executive committee members, right? We already have the things established. The only thing is that we are in a process of registering our alumni association. And we have a good senior with us who are working hard on this, like the Dr. Raja Pramani. He is not here, but still he is there, right? So, and we have Dr. Chaitanya, he is working in Ganga Hospital, and then Mr. Abhishek, Mr. Ananya Chatterjee, Sivi Sudarshan, Madhav Chandra. And the people like Pallavi and the Asokos are the volunteers, right? And then those who want to be the part of the alumni association, we will publish the form which they need to fill it up, and then they will be the part of the executive committee members. So this is all the programs members will look like, right? Okay, see, this is the very important section. Actually, till now, whatever you have understood, that would have been very theoretical. So it would be difficult for you to perceive those things, right? So we have a proper program execution procedures. So someone who want to organize any program in the school or outside the school, he has to just initiate. So there will be the person who will be the initiator, right? So he has to come up, he has to plan, he has to create the proposal, and that proposal has to be presented in front of the school administration, also in front of the alumni authorizing body, right? And they have to submit the proposal. Once the proposal is submitted, they will review it, they will then approve it, right? So this can be easily done, I think, right? So whatever you have, any of you, whether you are existing student or whether you are the part of alumni, whether you are already past Sunshine, right? So you come with any idea, any program that you want to organize, you can come via this platform, whatever we have. Prepare the proposal, submit the proposal, and then there are people who are there to review and approving the proposal. And once this is done, then you have to execute the program. For executing the program, we already have discussed the program execution committee that we have in the previous slide, right? Alumni Relations Event Management Committee, the sponsorship team, and all those. So these are the committee already there to execute such program. and then once the program is done, then you have to publish it. That's what this is all about. This is all about walkthrough of the alumni association. So I'm done with that. We already have an idea with Mr. Abhishek.
Hello guys, I hope you all enjoying here. So can I see the hands raised who are actually on standard 12 or 10? Okay, see some hands out there. Somebody on the back side who are from 12 or 10? Yes. So the idea out here is that those who are actually deciding to pursue their career, it is certain streams. Basically, if they want to make their stream on math, or they want to take it on their biology, or they want to have a career on commerce side, so they could actually join our group, would be either a portal or WhatsApp group through which we can actually help them to choose their career, where they can pursue it and which institution they want to join further, what they want to pursue as a career in his life or her life. That's what our aim is. So they can actually join us, they can come to us where they want to have their interest, they can tell us, we can guide them, and also we can help them to understand actually what they need, because we want them to see what are there apart from basic engineering and medical career stream. There are so many things others which they can pursue and make them better. We need to only understand that what they want to be, they need to do their in their life. That's what I'm motivated.
Thank you. Thank you.
मैंने हाथ में चढ़ गया Pushpak Ranjan from very first 92 batch for his mesmerizing ghazal. शफक हो फूल हो शबनम हो तुम माहताब हो तुम नहीं जवाब तुम्हारा के लाजवाब हो तुम मैं कैसे कहूँ जाने मन मैं कैसे कहूँ जाने मन तेरा दिल सुने मेरी बात ये आँखों की सियाही ये होठों का उजाला ये आँखों की सियाही ये होठों का उजाला यही है मेरे दिन रात मैं कैसे कहूँ जाने मन काश तुझको पता हो तेरे रुख रोशन से काश तुझको पता हो तेरे रुख रोशन से तारे खिले हैं दिए जले हैं दिल में मेरे कैसे कैसे काश तुझको पता हो तेरे रुख रोशन से तारे खिले हैं दिए जले हैं दिल में मेरे कैसे कैसे महकने लगे
कहाँ से हुआ तेरा साथ, मैं कैसे कहूँ जाने मन, मैं कैसे कहूँ जाने मन, तेरा दिल सुने मेरी बात। ये आँखों की सियाही, ये होठों का उजाला, ये आँखों की सियाही, ये होठों का उजाला, यही है मेरे दिन रात, मैं कैसे कहूँ जाने मन।
But how we can forget Ashwani Kumar Sinha, Ashwani Kumar Singh, sorry, of 94 batch for his song. So please welcome.
And feeling like being a kid is great when you enter into the premises of your school. So I actually don't remember too many songs, but yes, I would like to sing a few lines of one of my favorite songs done by very famous singer of Pakistan, Mr. Nusrat Fateh Ali Khan. तोरे बिन जिया जाए ना, तोरे बिन जिया जाए ना, जलूं तेरे प्यार में, करूं इंतजार तेरा, किसी से कहा जाए ना, तोरे बिन जिया जाए ना। थैंक यू।
से रिलेटेड, तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं ये इंटरेक्टिव सेशन। ओके, अपना काफी है आपके लिए।
सेंट्रल यूनिवर्सिटी सागर में एजुकेशनल मल्टीमीडिया रिसर्च सेंटर है, यूजीसी का ऑटोनॉमस बॉडी है, तो उसमें बीइंग एज ए प्रोड्यूसर हूँ। इससे पहले एनसीईआरटी में ई पाठशाला में देखा करता था, जो अभी हाल ही में लॉन्च हुआ है, उसके पायलट प्रोजेक्ट मैंने किया है।
अच्छा, इतने बड़े वालों का क्या लॉजिक है?
बाबा रामदेव
महीने का शैम्पू का खर्चा कितना आता है इस पर?
पता नहीं आता, बस जिस दिन लगता है कि खुजली ज्यादा होने लगी तो शैम्पू कर लेता हूं।
पतंजलि का या क्लिनिक प्लस डव,
कोई भी चलता है।
आप तो बाबा रामदेव के भक्त हैं।
बाबा रामदेव का भक्त तो सब लोग हैं, मैं तो बस जब मौका जो मिलता है शैम्पू चेंज करता रहता हूँ, क्योंकि स्पॉन्सर तो मुझे होता नहीं है।
अगर आपका ये वाला स्टाइल बहुत ज्यादा जबरदस्त है, पुराने फिल्म के विलन की तरह, रंजीत की तरह। थैंक यू। और आप अभी का?
मैं जेट एडवेंट में काम कर रहा हूँ, इंजीनियरिंग में।
आप अपनी स्कूल की ऐसी कुछ यादगार मेमोरी शेयर करना चाहें तो?
यादगार मेमोरी तो बहुत सारी है। एक मेमोरी जो मैं शेयर करना चाहूँगा, जो खौफनाक मेमोरी है मेरी, रिगार्डिंग रीना में। हम सभी लोग बहुत डरते थे उनसे स्कूल के टाइम में, आप सबको पता होगा, और यहाँ जो एग्जिस्टिंग स्टूडेंट्स हैं वो भी डरते हैं, मुझे ये भी पता है। तो ये एक मेमोरी है रीना मैम से रिलेटेड। क्या हुआ था, 8th क्लास था और मैं सेक्शन ए में था, क्लासेस चल रही थी। क्लासेस के बीच में एक भैया आते हैं और बोलते हैं आशुतोष कौन है इसमें? तो मैं बोलता हूँ मैं हूँ आशुतोष। उसके बाद वो ले जाते हैं, मैं बोलता हूँ कि कहाँ जाना है? बोली रीना मैम बुलाया। ऐसा क्या कर दिया मैंने? तो पता बाद में यही होता है कि रीना मैम ने बुलाया, तो पता नहीं मुझसे कोई गलती हो गई हो, जाके पहले माफ़ी मांगूंगा क्या हुआ, मुझे बाद में पूछूंगा क्या हुआ। तो थोड़ा सा घबराया हुआ था, डरा हुआ था, और पसीना आ रहा था मुझसे। तो फिर मैं गया रीना मैम के पास। रीना मैम ने बोला आशुतोष वेयर इज योर लंच बॉक्स? लंच बॉक्स क्या हुआ, मतलब ऐसे क्यों बोल रही है? कहीं ये तो नहीं लग रहा कि लंच बॉक्स में कुछ पटाखे वटाखे बम लेके आया, मतलब नाइट साइड पर तो होने फिर भी पता नहीं। तो क्या हुआ, मैं बोला कि मैम मैं लाता हूँ। फिर मैंने बैग लिया और बैग से लंच बॉक्स निकाला। हुआ क्या था कि उस दिन फ्राइडे था और मामा ने जो लंच दिया था उसमें कुछ खटाई वगैरह थी, तो हमारे यहाँ वो खाते नहीं, संतोषी माता का व्रत होता है, तो इसलिए मामा ने फिर दूसरा लंच बॉक्स भेजा था। और स्कूल का ऐसा डिसिप्लिन है, ऐसा कायदा कानून है कि कोई भी अंदर नहीं आ सकता।